So, hello and welcome to a new challenge, this time Easy Sunday Excel challenge by Crispo Mwangi. Something about, duplicates. I've downloaded the challenge before, so we take a try. So TEXTSPLIT, first TEXTSPLIT the customers, column delimiter is semicolon, and then I want to count the number of appearances here, lambda A, filter A, if A equals A, yeah, and then count the columns. Why isn't this working? A columns filter. I map this row by row. Is there something odd here?
Yeah. So sorry, the sound dropped currently, but we're back on track. So this doesn't work, but why? Filter this if this equals this. This equals this. Carl and Carl. Yeah, this should be okay. Map. Yeah, it's map unique. In here. And filter this if this equals unique. Yeah, that is working. So we filtered every unique, but then it should also work that way. Oh yeah, I see. Yeah. So we didn't need unique here. I need to filter the whole array after the array I mapped there. Was my error. And now I want to filter those values if this is larger than 1, then I get Carl back, and I only want to have the unique values here, want to have this by call, and then I have Carl here. I want to text join it with a delimiter semicolon, because I know that there are, for example, here multiple options. So, and now I bring this into an adjacent form. Let's name this C. Oh, 1 equal sign too much. C for this row, and D for C for this column, and date for this column, and then map C lambda A. First text split it. This will hand out an error, I know. And then here map a let function inside this map function. Name this SP. Map SP. 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 I know it will be an error. And here this is like the count. No, I shouldn't name this C. Although, yeah, I can name the C. Yeah. Map lambda columns. Yeah, I can close this. Map. Use this here. Text join. I want to filter SP if C is larger than 1. Close everything. And here. Oh, joy. Why is Ralph not in here? This should also hand out Ralph. And I don't know why, but it's working so far as I wished it worked. CSP, TEXTJOIN, unique, SPC. Let's try it only with this row. Yeah, doesn't need this. Only will hand out joy. The question is why. So, I want to have C as a result here. Oh, not sorry. Here. It hands out an error, so concat this. Ralph is counted only once. The question is why. No, concat SP. I see. There's an error here where there are two spaces between those values, so I need I don't know if this is on purpose or not, but I will use the trim function here to delete those spaces. So, and now I can name this, for example, RP for repeated customers, and then I can filter late if RP isn't an error. Then I get the dates here, and now I will filter. Can I filter HSTACK of date and RP? Yeah, this will work. And now VSTACK, so build the header, HSTACK, date, and repeat customers, close brackets, and we have the same result as it should be. We can't make this formula a little bit shorter, so I will put this on LinkedIn and then explain it a little bit. Now I need to pay attention because I need to put the semicolon here as a delimiter and as a TEXTJOIN delimiter. Otherwise the formula will not work for the other peoples out there. So yeah, Rick did a short formula, super cool. Yeah, this is like the trim problem I experienced. So yeah, I will put my formula on LinkedIn and then explain it for you. So what do we do here? So for every row here, we first split those customers in separate columns, and then we count how often each name appears there with this function here with map sp lambda a columns filter. Then we join them together, and we join the unique of every unique name that appears more than once together with the TEXTJOIN function, so with a semicolon to get here this kind of thing. This will gives this result here. So like a repeated customer, if multiple, then joined by a semicolon, otherwise a calculation error. And then we filter everything out. That's everything we built on HSTACK of date. So here HSTACK of date and our error thing here, and then we filter everything out in RP that isn't an error, so is text, so like Carl, Ralph, and so on. And this will gives out the table here, and then we added with VSTACK and HSTACK the headers. Yeah, that was it. Thank you for your attention. I hope to see you for the next challenge or the Excel courses.